Hello everyone, how are you all? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm here with a very beautiful gift for all of those students who are going to appear in KCET 2026. Reason is very simple. Chapter we're going to discuss in the CET PYQs is going to be determinant, as you already know, and I have taken 25 plus questions that I'm going to show you in detail. Now, why is this session a gift to you? Because a minimum of 3 questions can be asked from this chapter. If you see the previous year questions pattern, every year 3 questions is almost mandatory, you can say, for the KCET examination, and they're very simple. So after solving all these questions that I'm going to do in the class today, with detailed analysis, with understanding of all the concept, I'm telling you, you can solve any PYQ. What it means is you can get that 3 marks confirmed after today's session. So that's why this session will give you a 3 marks in your KCET 2026 paper. Okay, the questions will be more or less similar. Sometimes it will be difficult, but we have already covered that part in our regular concept sessions. We have learned the concept, we have solved so many questions. Today, the session, the gift session for all of you is on the KCET PYQs of determinant chapter. That is clear. Okay, let's see the planner. So in the planner, what we had, part 1 is done, part 2 is done, the concept and the question practice. You guys asked me to put more questions. I'm starting, with that. You can see, I think last session we did almost 20 questions. Okay, and part 3 is the session that we're doing right now, KCET PYQs. Next will come JEE Mains PYQs. As I already told you, we're going to discuss 25 plus questions in the session today, the PYQs from the last 10 years of previous year papers. That clear? And again, I have included the last year, which is 2025 papers question as well. Okay, so let's see. Question number 1, right? Question number 1. So what I want to do over here is, by the end of the session, you're going to let me know how many you got it right. Of course, I'll give you all the answers. I'll give you all the detailed explanation. No homework today. So be happy. There's no homework today in this session. All questions will be discussed in detail. Pakka for sure. But I want a commitment from all of you. You let me know how many you got it right. Okay, that you have to do honestly, because I want to see that progress in every session. That, let's say a student is there, the name is there, that person has got 20 marks, got 25 marks, and so on. So please let me know in the session's end how many marks or how many questions you got it right. Every question is 1 mark. Got it wrong means 0. There's no negative marking in KCET, so that's why 0 for not attempting a question or getting it wrong, or right answer will be 1 marks. Question number 1. If A is a matrix of order 3 such that A adjoint A is 10i. Looking at this question, what we know? We know a property. We have to remember that. How do you do that? I have given class notes, right? I hope you got it. So all the class notes in the PDF format has been given in the WhatsApp channel. I hope you joined it, right? If you're not joined, join right now. For that, link will be given in the video description. Go ahead, check the link out. Join there. All the class notes are available, updated also. So in the class notes, I have given all the properties. Revise through that. See, one of the properties is this. If you know the property, you'll know that this will be equal to determinant of A times I. N is the same order of the matrix N. Okay, sorry, matrix A. In that case, I can say compare these two and get the value of determinant A as 10. What are they asking? Adjoint of A determinant, another property. What is the property? Adjoint of A determinant is given by determinant of A power N. N is what? Order. So n minus 1, 3 minus 1, power 2, 3 minus 1 is what? Number of time adjoint is coming. Number of time adjoint is over here only once. We'll put the power here, simply 1. So why are you writing this? Don't write that. No, in our school, in our college, nobody wrote 3 minus 1 power 1. Okay, it's all right. What happens? No, sometime we'll have adjoint of adjoint over here. Then what will happen? You'll have 3 minus 1 power 2. It makes a difference, right? So please make a good habit. Okay, you can see here adjoint of A means power is only 1. But if I had adjoint of adjoint, the number of times adjoint is coming here, same power will come to the power of n minus 1. What is n? The order. Okay, chali. We get determinant of A power 2. This is 10, right? So 10 is square. Answer is 100. Option is C. See, so if you know the properties, it will take hardly 5 to 10 seconds to do it. I took more time because I had to explain everything to you. But as a student, you can solve this question in 10 seconds. Property, so this is 10. This will give me a square of that. When 10 square, answer is 100. How will you get the answer in 10 seconds? So this is 10 means determinant is 10. Here we have adjoint once means power will be 2 because the order is 3. 10 square is 100. Option B, option C is correct. Question is done in 10 seconds. Yes. Question number 2. Let's solve now. So I know everybody got this answer right. Question number 1, everyone got it right? Yes. So first mark is already awarded to all of you. Next is inverse of matrix of 3 order 3. Okay. Of course, if you take the whole process, it will take longer, but we have to do 2 smart tricks over here. One smart trick is that I've taught you to find adjoint. Remember that trick, you remember. And secondly, don't find for all the options. Do not find for all the options. I'll tell you why. Inverse of the matrix A, right? So how do you find that? First of all, we have to find what? Determinant. Across 2 you can find. You'll have 3 into 4, right? Rest all is 0. What I get? 6, 24 I'm getting. Okay, now inverse. For that we need adjoint. So adjoint will be what? Please check. Adjoint will be over here. I can write 2, 0, 0, 2, 0, 0, and we have 0, 3, 0. We have 0, 0, 4. Again, repeat the first 2 rows. 2, 0, 0, 0, 3, 0. Okay, and we'll have over here column repetition. First and second column, we get 2, 0, 0, 2, 0, 0, 3, 0, 0, 3. Done the column repetition. Now what is the next step? Remove the first row and first column. Write the adjoint. So adjoint of the matrix, let's call it A. They have given A only. Will be what, dear? 3 into 4 is 12 minus 0. So 12. We don't have to do everything because other term will come 0 only. So check here. 4 into 2 will be 8. Here 2 into 3 will be 6. Sir, why not other terms? They are 0. Check here. 0 into 0 is 0, 0 into 0 is 0, 4 into 0 is 0, 0 into 0 is 0, 0 into 3 is 0. So all these other terms are coming out to 0. Just simply find the diagonal. 3 into 4 is 12, first term. 4 into 2 is 8, 3 into 2 is 6. Okay, divide that by 24. Divide that by 24. So inverse will be basically dividing this by 24, right? I get 12 by 24. How much is that? 1 by 2. 8 by 24. How much is that? 1 by 3. 6 by 24. How much is that? 1 by 4. You can see option D is correct, sir. Even after doing the first term 1 by 2, you can see option D is the only suitable option. Pick here. Option D is the right answer. Okay, so don't have to do entire process. Just look for what is related, what is important for us, and then from there only we can get the answer. That's your shortcut for these questions. 2 is done. Answer is D. I hope all of you got it right as well. Question number 3 now. Question number 3 now. The system of linear equations. Okay, we know this. Whenever they give us 3 linear equations, it has to have the form AX equals B. AX equals B. Okay, I'm gonna write in the augmented way. So let's write the matrix here. 1, 1, 1. Second from here 1, 2 and 3. And from here we have 1, 2 and A. Will not write the variable matrix X, Y, Z. Will not write the variable matrix X, Y, Z. Rather, I'll write a constant matrix. Constant is what? 6, 10 and B. 6, 10 and B. Okay, that's complete. Alright, this is the 3 cross 3 matrix. This is the constant matrix written over here. Alright, now what I want? No solution. I want no solution. It means the determinant of this part, this whole thing, has to be equal to 0. Yes or no? No need to solve anything. I'll help you solve this question without any calculation. Just your mind is good enough. Think about it. I want to get determinant of A, which is A over here. This part is the matrix A, right? Determinant of A is 0. How? When you have 2 rows column. Sorry, 2 rows common. Forgive me. 1, 1, 2, 2. It means A has to be 3. Yes or no? Determinant of a matrix is 0 if they have 2 rows or 2 column. Same. I'm getting here 1, 1, 2, 2. If A is 3, it means determinant will come out as 0. Answer A equal to 3. So you can see A equal to 3 is even option D or option A. Not good enough. Now I'm going to replace this matrix by this number 6, 10 and B for the last one. 1, 1, 1. No. Excuse me. For the last one, if you don't have to write actually, but I'm just showing you. Write here 6, 1, 2, 10 and 1, 2, B. For this also, it should not be equal to 0. It should not be equal to 0. Alright. What am I going to do? Please check. B cannot be equal to 10. B cannot be equal to 10, sir. Because if it is 10, it means again it will become equal to 0. But I don't want it to be 0. It means B can be anything else but 10. right? If it becomes 10 means rows are same. Rows are same, 1 to 10, 1 to 10. So B cannot be 10. Option is only suitable as option A. A is 3 and B is not 10. No need of calculation, only concept is good enough. If you know the concept, answer is here. Get the answer in 2 seconds and move on. 2 seconds and move on. Question number 3 is done. Question number 4 now, okay? Every minute you save on these questions, you can apply those in the difficult problems, for example in calculus or other problems, okay? If A equal to alpha 2, 2, we have given this, find the value of alpha. From here we know that A cube determinant, is 27 means determinant the cube will also be 27, okay? It means determinant of A will become 3 because cube root of 27 is what? 3, right? A cube is 27 means what? Cube root of 27 will become A. Cube root of 27 is how much? 3. Cube root of 27 is 3, right? Okay, so A is 3, use it over here. Determinant of A is 3 means 3 equals to alpha square minus 2 into 2, 4. Bring 4 on this side. 3 plus 4 is alpha square. Alpha equals to plus minus 3 plus 4 is how much? 7, sir. Option is D, sir. Another 15-20 seconds question. 20 seconds? Okay, fine. 30 seconds question. Okay, not more than that, right? Is it more than that? No. Yeah. Question number 4 is over. Any problem you'll have, leave that in the comment section. I'm going to resolve that. Pakka. Okay. Question number 5 now. Cos 15 and cos 75. Determinant we are asking to find. Do it. Cos 15 degree, cos 75 degree minus sine 15 degrees and sine. If you learned trigonometry in PU1 or grade 11, you know there's a formula for this, or even in grade 11 only. Cos of A plus B is cos A cos B sin A sin B, right? It means formula is going to be cos of 15 degree plus 75 degree. How much is that? Cos 90 degrees. How much is that? Simply 0. Option is A. So we need to write one step over here, not even write in our mind. Cos A cos B sin A sin B with a minus sign. Cos of A plus B. Sum of that angle is 90 degree, hence answer is 0. Option A is correct. Done. 20 seconds, 15-20 seconds. Okay. 5th is done. Question number 6 now. Question number 6 now. Now I have taught you this question. In my one of the classes, the part 1 and part 2. You're gonna solve it. I'm not gonna give you the solution for this. Solution I've already given you. Solution already given, sir. Given you the solution in my part 1. I don't remember, I think part 1 or part 2. Please go ahead and check it out, the question that I've given you. You have the class notes right with you. Check the class notes. The question was given in that form of 1 plus A, 1 plus B, 1 plus C. I think in part 2. Check, I think it's part 2 question, but I don't remember. Check it out. Simply find the determinant over here. Find determinant. Okay, you'll reach this condition that x, y, z times of 1 plus x, y, y, z and x, z equal to 0. This will be your determinant, okay, if you find that. And this is given as non-zero. Please check. They're not given here. Are different and not equal to 0. They're not equal to 0 means x, y, z is non-zero. It means this bracket has to become equal to 0. Hence what I get? I get from here, you can see. Okay, sorry. Not this, sir. After taking common, it will be different actually. I forgot. It has to be x inverse, y inverse and z inverse actually. After taking common x by z, it will become 1 plus x inverse, y inverse, z inverse. So that's your final step. Once you do that, what are you going to get? This is non-zero. This cannot be equal to 0. It means this has to be 0. So what I'm getting? X inverse, y inverse and z inverse equal to 0 minus 1. Moving this 1 on this side. Okay. So answer will be minus 1. Please check. Answer will be option D. Okay, for all of you who are not getting this question, do not worry. In part 2 or part 1 I've solved this question. Don't have to watch the video right now. Do one thing. First check your class notes that you have, right? I've given you the class notes. Check the class notes. In that you'll find this question. This will be given in the form of ABC actually. It will be given in the form of ABC and you solve that, check it out and you can watch that particular question right there. I have explained it to you. For all of you who have joined and attended those 2 sessions, you'll know how to solve this question, right? Simply find determinant, then take common of the things, you'll get the answer as -1. Option D is correct. Will you do this much? If you still can't do it, let me know. I'll do it again in the other session. Okay, so sixth one is done. Question number 7 now. All right. If A is any square matrix of order 3 cross 3, then 3A is equal to what? We know the property. Ka power determinant actually becomes K power n determinant A. What is n? N is the order. So K power 3 determinant A. What is K here? K is 3. So 3 cube determinant A. How much is that? 27A. 27 determinant A. Know the property. Tick the answer in 2 seconds. In 2 seconds. 1 second to remember the property and 1 second to apply it. 2 second question. 2 second problem, right? Question number 7. Yes. All of you got it? All of you must have got this question right. So far, at least 6 questions must be right from all of yours. Okay? I want the tally from all of you. How many you got it right by the end? Okay? How you can check yourself? Do one thing. Pause the video. As soon as I show the question, once the question is on display, pause the video, do it from your side, and then come back and check the solution and let me know how many questions you got it right. Please, honestly, I want this from all of you. Otherwise, our efforts are in vain. Okay, if I don't get your questions right, then what we're doing over here? I want you to please attempt the questions. You're not just here to watch it. If you just watch the session, it will not be fruitful. Watch and apply. If you want to be those toppers, to be the rankers in the next year, and you can do it, I'm telling you, if you have if you feel even for 1% that I may be not be able to do it, sir. If you have this 1% confusion that I don't think that I can do it, I'm telling you, do not have that mindset right now. You can do it. I'm telling you because I believe in you. If you believe in a little bit in myself now, I'm telling you, you'll be good. Nothing will be, there's no problem in your preparation. Okay, just be there, be consistent, solve the problems, and that's enough. But give me an update how much you're doing. Okay, leave that in the comment section anywhere in any of the classes you can leave. All right, question number 8 now. So hope you have solved it. Same property it was there. Yeah, same property. It's a property based question. Question number 8, answer is D. Same property we use in question number 7 also. K cube determinant A, K cube determinant A, asked in 2017 paper, and this is 2016 paper. Okay, question number 9 now. As I said, it's a present from my side to you, and I meant it. It's a gift. Actually, a session. You solve these questions, similar pattern questions will repeat, and you'll get those 3 marks for sure if you have understood these concepts. Pakka se. Okay. Question number 9. The area of triangle with vertices K0, 4, 0, 0, 2 is a 4. Okay, they've given the area as 4 square units. Then the value of K is how much? Let's solve it. We get here K0, 4, 0, 0, 2, 1, 1, 1. The third value area means 1 by 2. This will become plus minus 4 because of the area. Sometimes we get this as minus 4 also. We have to take it as positive. That's why when we are calculating it, I have to take the both considerations. Usually, even if I get area as let's say minus 4, I have to take it as plus 4. Area is not negative, right? Remember? If let's say the area is below over here. If the area is coming like this. Okay, this part. Right now this area is negative, right? But can you take area as negative? You don't. So even if you get the area as minus 4, you end up taking it as plus 4. That's why when you're taking the calculation, take both the situations, plus and minus 4. Okay. To bring this 2 on this side, you'll have what? Determinant across, we can find across second column. So this will be cancelled. You have what? 2 times of, okay, minus 2 times of, yeah. Correct, na? Plus minus plus, correct. So you'll have minus 2 times of K minus 4 equals to plus minus 8. Okay, we get here minus 2K and we get plus 8 equals to plus minus 8. Plus minus 8. Okay, have a look. So if I take minus 2K plus 8 equals to plus 8, cancel, cancel. Alright, so I'm getting here value of K as 0. If I take minus 2K plus 8 equals to minus 8. Bring this 8 on this side. What I'm getting? I'm getting here minus 2K equals to minus 16. Hence, K value is equal to, please check, 8. My 2 answers are 0 and 8. Option is D. Option is D. Yes. 40-second question. Not 1 minute. 40 seconds, 35 seconds question. Okay. You can solve it. Yes, plus minus 4 here, and across 2, right? So this is going to be A3 2, right? 3 plus 2 is odd, that's why a minus sign outside. So minus 2 times of k into 1 is k, 4 into 1 is 4, k minus 4. Open the bracket, simplify for both plus and minus sign individually. Answer is 0 and 8. Option D is correct. Question number 9 is done. Chaliye. Next one, question number 10. Okay, they are saying that AB is equal to I. So far it's fun, right? AB equals to I. Asking what is B. What it means, sir? It means B, if I have AB equals to I, of course to get B, I have to apply what? I have to apply A inverse on both sides. I have to apply A inverse on both sides. It means it will become A inverse A, B equals to A inverse I. What is A inverse I? Simply A inverse, and this will be what, dear? This will be simply B. Basically, I have to find A inverse to get the value of B. Again, I don't have to write all of this, because if I have AB equal to I means simply understanding is B equal to A inverse. But how it comes, I'm showing you here as well. Okay, B equals to A inverse. Find A inverse. First you have to find determinant of A. You'll have 1 into 1, which is 1. We get here plus tan square alpha by 2. Yes or no? Tan into tan is tan square. There's a minus sign. There's another subtraction, becomes plus. Okay, this is nothing but sec square alpha by 2 is my determinant value. Determinant value. Got it? Sec square alpha. 1 plus tan square is sec square. Identity. Okay. Now I'm looking for what? I'm looking for adjoint, right? Adjoint of A, then only we can find the inverse, right? Okay. Adjoint of A will become what, dear? Simply 2 cross 2 matrix. Interchange the diagonal elements. So 1 and 1 is same, so we can't interchange actually. And change the sign of this. It will become minus tan alpha by 2, and this will become plus tan alpha by 2. If you compare adjoint of A with A, compare adjoint of A with A, isn't it simply transpose? I can write here adjoint of A is simply A transpose or not. Please check, is my adjoint of A looking like A transpose or not? Yes, it is. It means I can simply say that my A inverse value will become A transpose divided by, sec square, mistake, 1 second, sec square alpha by 2, 1 by sec means becomes cos. Okay, so I'll have here numerator as cos square alpha by 2 the angle times AT. A transpose is the value of A inverse, which is nothing but the value of simply B. Answer is option number B. Cos square alpha by 2 times A transpose. All of you agree? All of you got it right? Yes. 1 minute question. I'll give you that. 1 minute you can take. If you are not very much thorough with the concept, you are thinking a little bit, 1 minute. If not, 45 seconds is good enough to solve this question also. Question number 10 is done. PYQ from 2023. Question number 11 now. Let A be a square matrix of the order 3 cross 3. Same property, sir. 5 power 3. Order is 3. That's why 5 power 3. Determinant of A. 5 power 3 is how much? 125. Option is B. 1 second question. 1 second question. K value is 5. Order is 3. So K power n. Okay. K power 3 means 5 power 3. Answer is coming as 125. A. Option B is correct. Question number 12 now. Again, finding inverse. Do not do conventional method. Use the trick of finding adjoint, and also don't do for all the terms. Okay. Okay. Friend, let's start now. First, finding the determinant. Determinant now. For 2 what we have? For 2 we have 3 minus 0. So 3. For minus 5 what we have? For minus 5. 0 into 3 is 0, and this is going to be simply plus 1. Please check. We have to cancel this term. 3 into 0 is 0. Minus 1 into 1 is minus 1. Subtraction makes it plus, so minus 5. What I get? 6 minus 5. How much is that? 1. Determinant is 1 means it's an invertible matrix. Okay. Now one more thing. We know that A inverse is given by adjoint of A by determinant of A. Determinant is equal to 1 means what? A inverse will become equal to simply adjoint of A. Since the determinant value is 1, inverse will be same as the adjoint. How do you find adjoint here? Adjoint of A. First write all the elements. So 2, 5, 0. Sorry. 1 second, right? Adjoint we are writing, no? Yeah. I'm going to do over here only. What I have? 2, 5, 0, 0, 1, 1, minus 1, 0, minus 1, 0 and 3. First step is to repeat the rows, both the rows. So repeat it. I get 2, 5, 0, 0, 1, 1 and then the columns. So we get 2, 0, minus 1, 2, 0 and second column 5, 1, 0, 5, 1. First step is to remove the rows over here, rows and column, first row and first column from the 5 cross 5 matrix, and you're looking for adjoint. So right here adjoint of the matrix A. Yes, let's call this to be matrix A actually. All right, so becomes equals to, have a look, 1 into 3 minus 0, so 3. Next one, 0 into 0 minus 5 into 3, so minus 15. Check. So far this option is gone, this option is also gone. 3 and minus 5 we have, here we have, so only option B or D. Okay, now check in option B or D which is a different term. Here we have 2, here we have minus 2. Rest all is same, right? Rest all is same. Yes, rest all is same. So we'll check for the last term only. Getting my point or not? Once I find the first term, 1 into 3 is 3, minus 0 is simply 3. Second term, 0 into 0 is 0, 3 into 5 is 15, subtraction makes minus 15. So first term is 3 and second term is minus 15. Of the adjoint, adjoint is same as inverse. They're asking us inverse. It means first two numbers are 3 minus 15. Option A does not have that, option C does not have that. Only B and D has it. Now do I find all the other terms? No. Just look for the last term, 2 and minus 2. Okay, so last term will be coming from here. 2 into 1 is how much? 2. 5 into 0 is 0, means last term has to be 2. 2 into 1 is 2, 5 into 0 is 0, subtraction becomes 2. Answer is option B. Answer is option B. So that's the trick for the question number 12. All of you got this right, tell me yes or no in the comment section. Question number 12, correct sir. Okay, you like this particular shortcut trick that I gave you for this question? Did you enjoy it? Did it save time for all of you? Yes. Again, 45 seconds to 50 seconds question. You can solve it in 45 to 50 seconds. Question number 12 is done. Question number 13 now. I take more time so that you can solve it faster. I want to explain everything to you so that there is no confusion only. Right? Okay. If you don't agree with me, let me know. What should I change? This is my perception, but if you feel something different, if you feel that I should do in a different way, let me know that as well in the comment section. Question number 13 now. A is 1, 3, 4, 2, 2 minus 1, 1, 2. I'm looking for A, B, B dash. So I'm looking for A, B, B dash. Determinant. You have a property for determinant. Individually you can simply find A, B, B dash. We also know that the determinant of the matrix or the transpose is the same thing. Basically A determinant of B the square. Correct? Find the determinant of A. 2 into 1 is 2 minus, how much is that? 2 minus 12. Correct? 2 minus 12 is the determinant of A. Basically minus 10. And determinant of B is how much? 4 plus 1. Right? So 4 plus 1 the square. How much is that? Minus 10 into 25. Answer is 250 with a minus sign. 250 with the minus sign. Please check. Got it? Option C is correct. 13 also, 20-second question. Not more than that. 20 seconds if you know the property, right? 20 seconds it will take to solve this question and then move on. 13 is done. Question number 14 now. We are almost halfway. Right, 25 plus, so halfway is done. Last half, let's solve it. If the value of a third order determinant is 16, let's say determinant is a third order, means let's say n value is 3 over here. N value is 3, okay? A mistake I made here, sir. This is 16, right? Determinant is 16, order is 3. Right? Okay. Then the value of the determinant formed by replacing each of its element by cofactor. Element by cofactor, what it becomes? Adjoint. Sir, but we will take transpose also. You said, sir, adjoint is, sir, adjoint of a matrix A is nothing but cofactors matrix transpose But I told you, whether you take this transpose or cofactor transpose, isn't it the same thing? Because in the if you take the determinant of transpose also, the matrix remains same. Determinant of A is equal to determinant of A transpose. So even though they have not said that a transpose of the cofactor, they didn't mention it over here. They didn't mention over here as cofactors transpose, but still I'm going to take what? This value as adjoint only. They did not say that in the questions are adjoint. They did not say this as adjoint, or they did not say this as transpose. We know how to define adjoint, right? What is adjoint? First you find cofactors of every element, take transpose of that is by adjoint of the matrix. But sir, they are saying each element's cofactor. Replace the element by cofactor. If I do that, that is not adjoint, sir. But I am telling you, whether you take determinant of without transpose or transpose, is the answer same or not? Yes, it is. So basically they are talking about what? Adjoint only. They are talking about adjoint only. What are they saying? They are saying actually determinant of adjoint. What are they asking? Determinant. Okay. All right. I think I went over here. Yeah. They are asking us determinant of adjoint. 1 second. Yeah. So they are asking us to find determinant of adjoint of A. And for this we know the property. What is that? Determinant of A to the power n minus 1. What is it? 16 power. What is n value? N value is 3. So 3 minus 1. How much is that? 16 square. How much is that? 256. 256. Option is B. So looks a difficult question. Looks a difficult, and a lengthy problem, or confusing problem, but it is actually very, very simple. One property, just read the statement once and carefully. So I'll give you 20 seconds to read the statement if you're somebody who's very much confused. 20 seconds to read the question and 2 seconds to solve the question. So 25 seconds. Take 25 seconds question. 25 seconds problem. Very important to have the time management, especially in the easy chapters. Save time for difficult questions. Okay, 14th is done. Question number 15 now. What are they saying? Again, you have to use your brain to solve this question. If you go and expand it, it will take forever to solve this question and leave a lot of other questions. They're asking the constant term. Does the constant term have any variable in it? No. That's why the name is constant term. How can you get rid of the variable then? Simply put x value as 0 and see the magic. First will become 1, minus 1, 2, sorry, minus 2 actually. And it will become minus 1, 2 and 1, 2, 1 and minus 1. That's it. Put x as 0, variables are gone, you got rid of the variables, simply find now your determinant to get the constant term. Because why determinant only, sir? Because they are asking us to find what? Please check, expansion, how do you do that? Find determinant, okay. So please check how do you do this, what I get. I'm getting for 1 as minus 2, minus 1. Getting for plus 1, because this is minus over here, so it becomes plus 1. It will become 1 plus 2. Correct now? Minus 1 into minus 1 is 1, and minus 2 into 1 is minus 2. Again, there's subtraction, so it becomes plus 2. And last is going to be plus 2. Yes? I'm audible? Okay. So plus 2, and we have over here as, what is it? Minus 1 and plus 4. Let's simplify. I'm getting here this value as minus 3 plus 3 and 3 into 2, 6. Cancel, cancel, answer is simply 6. Option is D. Again a 40-second question if you want to. If you are not able to solve it, but 30 seconds is also good enough to solve this question. 30-second problem. Put x as 0, get a determinant, solve a determinant to get the final answer as 6. Yes or no? Yes. 30 seconds to solve this question number 15. Now question number 16. Yes. What I'm saying, f0 is 0, f2 is 0, f minus 1 is 0, f1 is 0. Substitute, sir. What are you going to substitute first? Obviously 0, sir. 0 is a favorite number, sir, for everyone. It should be 0, a, b, minus a, 0, c, minus b, minus c, and 0. Looking at this, you will say answer is simply 0. Why? For any skew symmetric matrix determinant, if the order is odd will come out as 0. For any, remember this statement, very very important, I'm giving you a concept over here. For any skew symmetric matrix, anything, if the order is odd, 3, 5, 7 like that, it will always be determinant coming out as 0. If the order is, if n is even, it will always be a perfect square. It will always be a perfect square. If the order is coming out as even, it will always be a perfect square. This is a relation, please remember it. Very very important. Check this out. What is the order over here? Order is 3 cross 3, sir. 3 cross 3, it means order even, odd. Determinant will be 0. Option is B. Order is odd. It's a skew symmetric matrix. Yes, please check. All diagonal element is 0. A minus A, B minus B, C minus C. It's a skew symmetric matrix, SSM. Determinant will become simply 0. Odd matrix. Okay, odd order. Okay, question number 16 is simple. If you know this much, again 30 seconds, not even 30, 20 seconds. Once you form this, you can see the order is odd. Answer is done. Option B. Question number 16, B is correct. Okay, no need to check other options. If it was not the true, then we'll go for the other options. Okay, then you go for F1, F minus 1 and F2. But usually this is good enough for us. 16 is over. Question number 17 now. Let's start. 17. Okay. Limit on this function fx. On this function fx. How do you solve it? First find the fx, then find the determinant of this. So for this, what I'm going to do, I can apply the simply my first column because we have 2 zeros over there. Okay. So my fx value will turn out to be cos x times of multiplication of these two. 4 cos square x minus 1 into 3. So 3. Expand again, we are getting here 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. If you know the formula, you know this is the formula of cos 3x. Formula of cos 3x, right? 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x is nothing but cos 3x. Okay. I'm looking to apply what? Limit to this. Apply now. I want to apply what? Limit x tends to pi for fx will become limit x tends to pi for cos 3x. How much is this? Cos 3 pi. Cos 3 pi. Cos pi is minus 1, cos 2 pi is 1, and cos 3 pi is again minus 1. The range of cos is from minus 1 to 1. The extremes are there. Pi is minus 1, 2 pi is 1, and 3 pi is minus 1. Option A is correct. Option A is correct. Simple question. Okay, 30 seconds again. This question for 30 seconds. 17, 30 seconds is good enough to solve this question. 18th one now. If x cube minus 2x square minus 9x plus 18. Now this will take 1 minute to solve this question. Okay, this will take 1 minute to solve the question. Okay, let's see. Okay, I can see there's a factor over here, x minus 2. Here also x minus 2. Let's factorize it. I get this as, what is it? I get this as x square is common, so x minus 2. Here also I have minus 9 common, so x minus 2 equal to 0. From here I get x minus 2 is common. I have x square minus 9. From here, if you see, the factors are x equals to 2, minus 3 and 3. So I get 3 values of x, 2, minus 3 and 3. From x minus 2, we get a value as x equal to 2. X square minus 9 will become x square minus 3 square. You'll have two values, x minus 3 and x plus 3. So we get minus 3 and plus 3 values as the value of x. Okay. Now, I want a maximum value for this. So I have to find what? I have to find the determinant. Determinant of A. Across 1 you find, you get 9x minus 48. Okay. Across minus 2 you have to get what? 36 minus 42. Please check. 9 for 36 and 7 6 are 42, not 46. 1 second. 42. 42. Okay. For 36 minus 42, and we have last plus 3. Plus 3 will be 32 minus 7x. Simplify this, we are getting here 9x minus 48, and we have here minus 6, right? so becomes plus 12. Okay, and over here I have 96 minus 14x, correct now? 21x, sorry. 7 3s are right, 21x. 7x into 3 is 21x, sir. Yeah, so 21x and 9x becomes minus 12x. And 96 minus 48 is what, dear? Simply 48. 96 minus 48 is 48. Plus 12 will become 60. That's my determinant value. Determinant of A. Minus 12x plus 60. I want to find the maximum value. We have a minus sign in the x term. It means that when x is positive, it will become, this whole thing will become negative. Then whole value will become less. But if x is positive, sorry, when x is negative actually, then this minus of x, that negative value of x with the minus sign makes positive term. Hence you'll have a greater value. We have only one negative term. What is that? Minus 3. Use that. Determinant of A maxima will occur at minus 12 times of minus 3 plus 60. How much is that? 36 plus sign 60. Answer is 96. Option is A. Option is A. 18 option A is correct. 18 option A is correct. Again, as I said, 1 minute question for the calculation point of view. If you are faster, you can do it in 30-40 seconds also. Otherwise, 1 minute for every student like me, average student. Okay. Question number 18 is done. Question number 19 now. A is given, then the inverse of the matrix AQ is what? Again, a very good question. Okay. Let's find inverse first. What are they asking actually? They're asking us the value of A cube inverse. They're asking us inverse of A cube is what? Let's find what? A inverse cube. This is same, right? Same thing. Let's find A inverse first. So find A inverse. We'll have adjoint of A by determinant of A. Adjoint of A is how much? Interchange the diagonals, so we get minus 2 and 2, interchanging it, and we get here plus 1 and minus 3. That is my, please check. Minus 1 becomes plus 1, 3 becomes negative 3. And now the determinant of this, we'll have here minus 4 plus 3. Minus 4 plus 3, correct now? 2 into minus 2 is minus 4, 3 into minus 1 is plus 3, will become because of subtraction. So have over here answer as minus 1. So it means, have a look, my A inverse actually is coming out as, A inverse is coming out as, this will become minus 1, right? Minus 4 plus 3 is minus 1. Multiply minus 1 to everything because you're dividing by minus sign, right? So basically multiplication, what will happen? This will become plus 2 minus 1 plus 3 and minus 2. Correct now? Yes or no? Think about it. If you take minus 4 plus 3, that is minus 1. Use that sign in the all 4 terms. You get answer as 2 minus 1, 3 minus 2. Isn't that same as A actually? Please check. 2 minus 1, 3 minus 2. Means A inverse is same as A. Okay. So it means I can replace this thing by, I can replace this thing over here. So I can write this. Please check. A inverse the cube as simply A cube, because A inverse is A. Because A inverse is A. This is my A cube. That is okay. Now how do you find A cube first? You have to find A square. So what is that going to be? 2 minus 1, 3 minus 2. Same thing will repeat. 2 minus 1, 3 minus 2. Do it over here. I get 2 into 2 is 4 and minus 1 into 3. 2 into 2 is 4, minus 1 into 3 is minus 3. Answer is 1. 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. Minus 1 into minus 2 is plus 2. Answer is 0. You'll get here 0, you'll get here 1. Cross check. Do this calculation. If you want, you can do the calculation. You'll get 1, 0, 0, 1. Simply A. So I'm getting A square as A. Getting A square as A. It means that my A cube will become A square into A. Sorry, A square is not A. Excuse me. Mistake, sir. This one is coming as I. It's coming as I, right? It's an identity matrix. So I'll get this as I into A. So my A cube is coming as A. What are they asking us? They were asking us A cube inverse. They were asking us A cube inverse. What is A cube? A cube is simply A. AQ is simply A inverse. What is A inverse? Simply A. So I got A inverse is simply A. This is my equation number 1. And AQ is A again, equation number 2. From equation 1 and 2, you can see that I'm getting this result. This whole thing that they are asking is going to be simply option A. Option A. Please have a look. Question number 19, option A is correct. Option A is correct. Question number 20 now. This is clear. If you have doubt, let me know. Watch this video one more time, this particular question. Then if you still have doubt, you ask me. Okay. Question number 19 is done. Question number 20 now. Question number 20 now. If the vertices of a triangle, this is given, then the area is what? Don't forget, I have asked you one thing. All of you must tell at the end of the session that how many questions you got it right. So far, you have done 19 questions. You have to tell me, sir, I got 19 right, I got 17 right, 18 marks, whatever it is. Okay, each question correct means 1 marks. Okay, for each question. Let's look for the area now. Vertices is given 1 by 2. We have minus 2, 6, 1, 3, minus 6, 1, 1, 5, and 1. 1 by 2. Expand across minus 2. What I'm getting? Minus 6 and minus 5. Expand across this term. So minus 6 will have 3 minus 1. Okay. Across plus 1. What we have? 15 plus 6. 15 plus 6. Have a look. So we have over here the terms 1 by 2 minus 11 into minus 2. Minus 11 into minus 2 becomes simply 22. Right? Minus into minus is plus. We get here, what is it? 3 minus 1 is 2. 6 into 2 is 12. So minus 12. This is going to be 21. 15 into 6 is 21. That's my area value. I'm getting this as 1 by 2. I have here 10 plus 21. So 1 by 2 into 31. How much is that? 15.5. Right? Square units. Option is C. 30-second question. 30 seconds question. Done. 20 is done. Easy. Very easy. Question number 21 now. So we have AN as given the form of a matrix 2 cross 2. They are asking us determinant of A1 plus determinant of A2 plus determinant of A3 all the way till the determinant of A 2021. Let's find A1 first. We'll have over here 1 minus 1. So simply how much is this? 0. We get here 1, 0. Sorry. 1 and 0, right? Yeah. We get here 1 and 0. Determinant will become what, dear? 0 minus minus 1. So simply minus 1, right? 0 into minus 1, no? So minus 1. A2. No, yeah, A2. So A2 will become what? Same way. We'll have 1, 1, 2, 2. What I get for this? 1 minus 4. So minus 3. Okay. Check now. A3 also you check. What I have for A3? What I have for A3? For A3 I'll have here 2, 2, 3, 3. What I get now? 4 minus 9. How much is this? Minus 5. So basically the sequence they have given us over here is becoming something like this. Minus 1 plus minus 3 plus minus 5 and so on till how many terms? Till 2021 terms. Till 2021 terms. Works? Let's take minus sign common. What I get? Minus sign is common. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus so on till 2021 terms. I'm not writing the last term, okay? I'm just writing 2021 terms. Great. Now this is nothing but your AP. First term is A, common difference is 2 and your number of terms is 2021. So let's find the sum of this. What I get? It'll become n by 2. Formula is 2a plus n minus 1 times of d. Use it over here. Minus n is how much? Number of terms is 2021. 2021 by 2. 2 into a. 2 into the first term. How much is that? Simply 2 plus n minus 1 means 2020. Why? The n value is 2021. Subtract 1 from there. 2020. What is the common difference? 3 minus 1. So 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. Check this out. This 2 and cancel with here. Here also with 1. What I'm getting now? Minus 2021 in the bracket 1 plus 2020. How much I'm getting? Have a look. Minus 2021 into 2021. Answer is coming as minus 2021 the square. Option is C. Option is C. Interesting question. It might take 1 second to you. Sorry, 1 minute to you, not 1 second. Okay. But yeah, if you are faster, you can solve it in 40 seconds also. 40-45 seconds will be good enough to solve this question. It's a PYQ from 2022 paper. 2020 question number 21 from PYQ of 2022 paper. 2022 paper. Have a look. Clear? 21 is over. 22 now. Class notes will be given to you in the WhatsApp channel. If you have not joined yet, join right now. All the regular class notes are uploaded over there in the PDF format. Download from there and practice all the questions. Very important. If you are here for a serious study, you have to follow the pattern, okay? And ask your questions also. Question number 22 now. Okay. This is singular matrix. It means determinant is 0. Then the value of how much is that? So we have to use determinant of 0 to find the value of k and then use it over there. Yes or no? Singular means determinant is 0. Let's use that. We get 2 minus k times of 3 minus k minus 2 is 0. From here what I get? I get this value as 6 plus k square minus 3k minus 2k is minus 5k minus 2 is 0. From here I'm getting k square minus 5k plus 4 is 0. It means what? It means factors are going to be here k minus 4 and k minus 1. Have a look. Minus 4 into minus 1 is plus 4, minus 4k and minus 1 into k. Minus 5k and k square is simply there. I get the value of k as 1 or 4. Use in both the cases you're going to get the same value, 5 times of, what is it? Check this out. 5k minus k square, right? We're looking for this value. Right? Take k common. 5 minus k. Put here k value as 1. K value equal to 1. What I get? 1 times of 5 minus 1. How much is that? 4. Again put k value as 4. What I get? 4 times of 5 minus 4. So 4 times of 1. Answer is 4. Both the cases answer is 4. Option B is correct. Option B is correct. 30 seconds question. Yes. Simple problem, 30 seconds would be enough to solve this question, sir. Have a look. Okay. Let's move on now. Next question, 2023. This was a paper from, okay, 2023. Now we are moving to 23 question number. Okay. All right. The area of triangle with the vertices minus 3, 0, 3, 0 and 0k is 9 square units. We have done a question like this so many times. 3, 0, 3, 0, 0, k, 1, 1, 1. Area means 1 by 2. Here has to be plus minus 9. Told you that because of the area, both plus minus sign should come. And find across this, move this 2 first over here. We get plus minus 18. Find across k. So you'll have minus k times of gone, minus 3 and minus 3. What I get? Plus 6k is plus minus 18. It means k value is plus minus 3. Please check your calculation if you are not sure over here. Pause the video, do your own calculation. Answer will be coming as option C. I ask you to not use calculators, please. Do not use calculators. It slows down your speed of solving the questions. Okay? In exams, not in all examinations, you'll have the access to the calculator. Then what are you going to do? Right? So please do not use calculators and get the answers from your side only. They are pretty easy ones to solve. Answer is option number C. There is no minus 3 over here. Okay? Answer is both plus minus 3, but here we have only one option, 3, which is the right answer. 24th will solve now. Okay. AQ from here, please take. We get determinant the cube. It means it will become 5 cube over here. Determinant A cube, it means this value is 5. PYQ from 2025 paper, the last year paper, okay? Basically this year's KCET paper. I get A value as 5. Find from here. Determinant of A equals to k square minus 4. This is 5. So k square minus 4, move 4 on this side, I get 9. I get k value as plus minus 3. As simple as it gets. 20 seconds, that's good enough. 20 seconds to solve this question. Yes, 24th, very easy question. Property, if you remember. Okay, determinant, square or power, whatever it is given, you can take it outside. Okay, yeah. 25th question now. All right, so A is a square matrix of order 3 cross 3. Determinant of A is 3. Determinant of A is 3. Then the value of determinant of 3A inverse. Determinant of 3A inverse. First thing will be I can take 3 outside, okay? 3 power n I'll get. Correct? What is n here? N is order. N value is 3. Please check. If you have determinant applied to Ka, k power n comes out, right? So 3 power n comes out. From here we can get 3 power 3 because n value is 3. And we have A inverse determinant as it is. I get 27. Now we're going to operate on the second part, the A inverse determinant. Apply determinant first, then take the inverse. Take the inverse. Result is same, right? Have a look. What I'm getting now. 27. What's this value of determinant? 3. 3 power minus 1. So 27 by 3. Answer is 9. Option is D. Again, 30 seconds, 20 seconds. That's good enough for this question. Not more than 20 seconds, I think. 30 seconds, I don't think you require over here. 20 seconds is good enough. Yeah. Question 25 is done. Let's solve the last question of the day and complete our session. And let me know that you felt confident after solving these questions or not. I did not make this question. This is a KCET PYQs. Okay. It means if you can solve these questions confidently, 100%, you are prepared for this chapter. And you get the 3 marks in your examination. Okay. Last question. We have B as 1, 3, 1 alpha. B the adjoint of matrix A and determinant of A is 2. Alright. Then the value of alpha is what? Okay. B is the adjoint of A. B is the adjoint of A. Let's find determinant now. Determinant here, determinant here. What I get? Determinant of B equals to determinant of A power n minus 1. We don't have to write the power of n minus 1 because the adjoint is only 1. Okay. Determinant of A is how much? 2. So 2. N is how much? N is here 2. So 2 minus 1. What I get? 2 power 1. That's the determinant of B. Determinant of B is coming out as simply 2. Find determinant from here. Alpha minus 3 equals to 2. It means alpha equals to, looks alpha only here. So let me just change that. This is 2, 5. Alpha is 3 plus 2. So option B is correct. 5. Option B is correct. 5. Have a look. 26th, option B is correct. This completes your session today. I hope you had fun, enjoyed solving all these questions with me. Don't forget to leave in the comment that how many questions you got right. Did you get all 26 questions right? Or how many questions you got right? Let me know. What is the problem? You let me know. How did you feel about this particular session? Let me know that as well. Any improvement you want from my side, you have to let me know in the comment section only. So a lot of conversations is there. If you have anything to ask, do leave that in the comment section. For now, that is it for the session today. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. We are very serious and very committed at our platform to provide very good content for all our students for preparing for CET, for JEE, okay, in the best way possible. So any other queries you have, leave that in the comment section. For now, that is it. I'll see you again very soon. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.